Supply chain execution is increasingly complicated and uncertain, so organizations are innovating to make their processes more resilient and agile. Today's disconnected systems cause delays for customers by increasing manual data input and errors. All this slows down operations, reduces visibility, and increases risk. The solution? Orchestrate processes across the supply chain to enable a 360-degree view of operations. With this approach, new apps, ERP systems, machinery, and employees can work together in harmony. Here's one example of a supply chain process you can transform using Bizagi's low-code automation platform. Ben maps out the purchase requisition process in Bizagi and analyzes it using simulation so he can see the bottlenecks and optimize the model. He turns the process into a procurement application by adding business rules and creating forms to capture vendor information. The application is easily integrated with other processes and systems in the supply chain. Ben can now launch the procurement process in Bizagi to find a new supplier and add capacity. The whole workflow is managed end-to-end in Bizagi, from vendor selection right through to onboarding and management. Next, Ben selects the supplier and all details are automatically added to the ERP system. The factory then requests materials from the new source via Bizagi. The new application facilitates a new way of working by integrating existing systems and automating steps to boost efficiency. With Bizagi's low-code automation platform, you can create applications that orchestrate your operations. This platform has helped companies across the globe to see incredible results. Get in touch today to find out more.